Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics chapter 11 and exercise 11.2. Okay children, in 11.1 I made you to do it in the book itself, isn't it children? I told you to do it in the book itself. So this exercise I told you to do it in the book itself. So you no need to do it in the notebook. No need to do it in the notebook. Let you all do in the book itself. Okay. But today exercise 11.2 I am going to teach. That one what you have to do? You have to write in the notebook. What you are going to do? You have to write in the notebook. Okay, children. You have to write chapter 11 and then you have to do the sums in your notebook. Okay, children. Okay, we'll see the sums. Okay children, in yesterday's Zoom class I was teaching about the 24 hours format, isn't it children? See where all we find the 24 hours clock, we see in, first in 12 hours clock we see in wristwatches, table clocks and wall clocks, isn't it? You use every day or 12-hour clocks. In the 12-hour clock, the hours goes up to 11 to 12 and then start again back from 1, 2, 3 and so on. Isn't it? However, organizations such as railways, airlines and defense service use the 24 clock. So, where all 24 hours clock is followed? In railways, airlines and defense. Okay, children? In the ticket itself, we can find out the 24 hours format. And see, in the 24 o'clock, the time from midnight till noon is the same as that of the 12-hour clock. But after noon, what will come children? The hours go up to 12 to 13, 14, 15 like that. In the Zoom class I taught, isn't it children? See here, I taught yesterday. See, this is up to 12, 24 hours format. And when it comes to the 24 hours format, what will come? The 12 means 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay children. So in the railway time and all, there won't be 1 to 3. It will be 24 hours. When it comes to 24 hours, what will come? It will become 0. It will become 0 hours. It will become 0 hours. Okay children. Okay. So the time is written in 4 digits. Always the 24 clock. Can you see this one? This is 24 hours clock timing. See, it is written in 4 digits. It has been written in 4 digits. The first 2 is the hour, shows the hours, and the last 2 shows the minutes. See, while coming to see 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours. But when you write like this, when it comes like this, 1730. When it comes 1730, the first 2 is hour, first 2 digit is hours, and the second 2 digit is minutes. These 2 are hours and these 2 digit are minutes. So when we read, how we have to read children? 1730 hours. What you have to read? 1730 hours. This is the way of reading the 24 hours format. It always is written in 4 digit. It has been always written in 4 digit. Okay children. Okay, now we'll see this 24 hours format and the 12 hours format and the 24 hours format. Listen carefully children. See, 12 midnight. 12 midnight means when it converts to 24 hours, what you have to do? 0 hours. What will come children? 0 hours. 12 midnight means what will come children? 0 hours, because it starts from that one. Okay. Okay. 24 hours we'll see. 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and then 12 noon. See, till 12 noon a.m. ante-meridium. Ante-meridium. And after 12, see, after 12 noon 1 p.m. See, here and all a.m. here 1 p.m., 2 p.m., 3 p.m., 4 p.m., 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So till 11 p.m. As soon as after 11, what will come children? 12 midnight. What will come? 12 midnight. As soon as 12 midnight means what will come? 0 hours. So first we'll see the 24 hours format. 1 a.m. means what you have to do? You have to always written in 4-digit number hours. So they have written, see, 0100. 2 a.m. means 0200. So these 2 is hours and these 2 is minutes. Okay, children. See, likewise 3 means 03300. 0400. Likewise, see, can you see here, children? This is the way of writing the 24 hours format till 12 o'clock. And then after that, what will come? 1 p.m. means what will come, children? 13. So 13 means 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 hours, 16 hours, 17 hours, 18 hours, 19 hours, 20 hours, 21 hours, 22 hours and 23 hours. While it comes for 24, what will come? It as soon as you have to write 0 hours. What you have to write? 0, because the 24 hours clock has been completed. So what you have to do? Put 0. After 23, what will come? 0 hours. 0 hours means 12 midnight. Understood, children? 12 midnight means what will come? 0 hours. You should not forget while writing the sums, doing the sums also. Okay, children. So first we'll see the first one. See, exercise 11.2. It's given in page number 179. 179. Write the time in 24-hour clock format. Write the time in 24-hour format. Okay, children. We'll see. Sorry, it's given in page number 179. Okay. Why before writing you have to write this chapter 11. Chapter 11 time. Chapter 11 time, and then you have to start from exercise 11.2 because exercise 11.1 you have done in the book itself. Okay. Write the time in 24-hour clock format. So 11 a.m. So while writing in 24 hours clock format, what will come, children? 11:10 a.m. 11:10 a.m. So you have to convert to 24 hours format. So while writing, what will come, children? Very easy. Okay, you keep the book by the side also. It will be very easy. Okay, children. See here 11 a.m. means what, children? 11 a.m. is given. While writing in the 24 hours format, what they have written? 11 hours they have written, isn't it? So 11 hours means what will come, children? But here they have given 11:10. So what you have to write? 11 hours. 10 also you have to write like this. Without this full stop, what you have to write? 11:10 a.m. means what you have to write? 11:10 hours. This is the way of writing, converting into 24 hours format. Okay, children, it's very easy. Is it it? Second sum we'll see. Second sum, 12 noon. 12 noon. So 12 noon means how we have to write, children? 12 noon. So 12 noon means how we have to write? 12 noon means how we have to write, children? 12 hours. So what will come? 12 hours. Because noon, midnight only 0 will come, children. You should be careful. Here noon is given. So you have to write 12 hours. You should not put this comma. Isn't it okay, children? So 12 hours. Okay. Coming to the third sum. Now listen. 12 midnight. So midnight means what I have told, children? Midnight means what you have to write? 12 midnight means so how we have to write? When we convert to 24 hours format, what will come? 0, 0, 0, 0 hours. Okay, children, it's in 4 digits. So only I am writing 0 hours. Okay, children, while telling you can say 0 hours. Okay. Don't forget, noon means you have to write like this. But midnight means you have to write like this. Okay, children? Okay, we'll see the fourth sum. 6:30 p.m. 6:30 p.m. See, first we saw AM. So AM we have to write as it is. But when it's coming to 6:30 p.m. PM means what will come, children? After 12 what will come? It will come what 20, what 13, 14, 15 will come. So when it comes to 6:30 what will come, children? 6 p.m. means 18 hours. 6 p.m. means 18 hours. Can you see in the book, children? 6 p.m. means what, children? 18 hours. You have to see this also. 6 p.m. means 18 hours is coming. So 6 p.m. means 18 hours. So 30 also is there. So while writing, what you have to write? 6:30 p.m. When it convert to 24 hours, what will come? 06. Because you have to write in 4 digit. Because here only 3 digit is there. So you have to write 0 friend. And write 06 hours. Understood, children? Yes, I think you have understood. Okay, sorry ma, sorry, wait. You should not write 16 means 18 I said, isn't it, children? 18. Wait, I'll write here. Sorry, children. 6 means what, children? 18. 6 means what, children? 18. So, 18, 30 hours. 18, 30 hours. Okay. Suddenly I wrote AM. It's PM. So, 18, 30 hours. Okay, children? Don't forget. Okay. We'll see the next sum. 5th one. 7:40 a.m. 7:40 a.m. So a.m. means you have to write as it is only. 7:40 a.m. anti-meridian. When you convert to 24 hours format, what will come, children? What you have to write? 0740 hours. 7:40 hours. Because of 3 digit I have added 0. Because in 24 hours format always what 4 digit is there. Okay, children? AM means you have to write as it is. But when you come to PM only, it will be very hard for you. Okay. Next, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. So when you come at 7 p.m. means what you have to do, children? When you convert to 24, 7 p.m. means what, children? 19 hours. 7 p.m. means 19 hours. So what you have to write, children? 1900 hours. 7 p.m. means 19 hours. 19 hours. The first 2 is hours and these 2 are minutes. Okay, children? So we have to say it as 19 hours. Okay. Now the 7th sum and 8th sum I will give you as homework. 7th sum and the 8th sum I will give you as homework. Okay, children? Seventh sum 9:15 p.m. 9:15 p.m. and the 8th sum 12:50 p.m. 12:50 p.m. Okay, children, these 2 sums are homework for in the A1. Okay, we'll see the B1 now. Okay. B1 is, now what you have to do, you have to write in 12 hours format. So what you have to write, children? Write the time in 12-hour format. 12-hour clock format. Okay, children? First we saw the 24 hours format. Now we are going to see 12 hours format. Okay? Okay, the first one. The first one 0620 hours. See, when you convert into 12 hours format, what will come, children? See, 0620 hours. So when you write in 12 hours format, what will come? What will come, children? 6:20 a.m. What will come, children? 6:20 a.m. So what you have to write? 6:20 a.m. Because in 24 hours clock also, till 12 it will be same. After that only it will change. So here 6:20 hours is there. So what you have to write? 6:20 a.m. You should not write p.m. If you write p.m. it will be wrong. Okay, children. The second one, 23 hours. Second sum is 23 hours. So 23 hours means how we have to write, children? 23 hours. 23 hours means in 12 hour clock, what will come, children? 23 means what will come? 11 p.m. What will come, children? 11 p.m. You should not write a.m. If you write a.m., the sum will be wrong, children. 23 hours means what will come, children? 11 p.m. 11 p.m. Okay, children. And the third sum, 18:15 hours. 18:15 hours. You have to be thorough in the 12 hours format and the 24 hours format, so that it will be very easy for you to do the sums. 18:15 hours is equal to 18 means what will come, children? Into 12 hour format, 18 means what will come? 18 means what will come? 6 o'clock. 18 means what, children? 6 o'clock. So what will come, children? 6 o'clock means what you have to write? 6:15 p.m. 6:15. First we saw 6:20 a.m. Now we are seeing 6:15 p.m. Why we are writing p.m., children? Because it's after 12. After 12 noon. So only I am writing p.m. Okay, children, while writing a.m. and p.m. you have to be very careful. Otherwise the sum will be wrong. Next, 0026 hours. So 26 hours means what? Only here what they have written, children? 26 minutes only they have written. 26 minutes they have written. So what will come, children? When you come write like, when it comes only the minutes means what you have to write? Wait. 26 hours means only 26 minutes they have given, means because 00 means what I told, children? 12 midnight. Isn't it, children? What I have said? 0040 comes means 12 midnight I have said. Isn't it, children? After 12 midnight what will come? AM starts. AM starts. So what's the time will be, children? 00 means what you have to write? 12:26 AM. 12:26 AM. Okay, children. Only here minutes they have given. They didn't give the hours. They didn't give the hours because 00 comes means 12 midnight. After midnight morning starts. Isn't it, children? So what I have written? 12:26 AM. Don't forget, children. Okay. The fifth sum, 09:35 hours. So 09:35 hours means very easy. So what will come, children? What will come? 9:35 AM. What will come? 9:35 AM. Understood, children? 9:35 AM. And the sixth sum, again the same, 0002 hours. What will come, children? Any guess you have? 0002 hours. So 0 means first only 2 minutes they have given. 2 minutes means what, children? Only 2 minutes they didn't give the hour. They didn't give the hour. So what you have to write, children? What you have to write? 0 means what I said? 12, isn't it? 12:02 AM. 12:02 AM. Understood, children? 12:02 AM. Understood, children? Okay. Now 2 sum again I'll give home as a homework I'll give. homework. Seventh sum. 11:35 hours. 11:35 hours. And the eighth one, 12:41 hours. 12:41 hours. Okay, children. So total in the A1 2 sums and the B1 2 sums. Okay, children. Will you do it, children? Do it and send it to my WhatsApp. Okay, children. We'll meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.